Hey guys, just checking in. Well, we've got our, today we're working on this metal roof job. We took a video of getting it started earlier. We put a new plywood deck on that's 3/4 inch. We put a underlayment on the plywood, ran our panels. We've got to flash this into the roof now. We always curl these tops back. That'll kick any water back that ever gets up under there. You're going to have closure right here, but that always helps too. And so now we got to tie into this roof. We've got to get this flashing under here, but these nails and this shingle right here are stopping us. So if a roof is like not too old and it's not too hot, you can easily get in there with the flat bar and break that seal. Already broke that seal down there. Then you can lift that up and access your nails. Alright, shingle, you just try to get right under it. I should have done this before we put the metal so I don't scar it up. Try to get right under the nail. Then push the shingle down. You can put the bar in there like that, pull out the nail, same thing, right in through the nail. And be careful, you'll tear it. Sliding down the roof. Yes, that's pretty much it. Now you can get all the way up under there, no problem. If you needed to take this shingle out, you'd have to get the nails out of this row because this row is holding the very top of this shingle. So you'd have to bust this shingle loose here, pull those nails, and then pull them, and you can slide this shingle right out. But you got to work a couple rows ahead of what you're actually wanting to do. But now we're going to work in this flash sheet like this. Just sticking that up in there like that, lifting it up, caulking the back. We'll put closure in here to keep any water from pushing back when it freezes up here. But yeah, so that's where we're at. And we'll take some more video of what it looks like. Thanks for watching.